Module number 5 is in the continuation of HR competencies. Illustration of the Ulrich HR competency model. This is the name for the module number 5. जैसे कि पिछले मॉड्यूल में मैंने कहा था कि Ulrich has done or Ulrich and his colleagues have done a great job. What HR competencies are required? It is not easy to determine or not easy to delineate. Ulrich ने एक मॉडल प्रपोज किया जो कि पिछले 10 से 15 साल से डोमिनेट कर रहा है स्ट्रेटेजिक ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट की फील्ड में. Let's see what that model is. This is a very comprehensive model. Most of the books, most of the literature in the field of strategic human resource management appreciates this model because of what it offers to the field or the professionals in this regard of strategic human resource management. तो उल्रिच 2007 में उसने डेटा कलेक्ट किया. अगर आप इस स्लाइड पे देखें तो आपको बहुत सारे फिगर्स मिलेंगी. 31,000 वर्ल्ड वाइड सर्वे किया उसने, 4,000 HR प्रोफेशनल्स का डेटा कलेक्ट किया और तकरीबन 1200 ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल यूनिट से उसने डेटा कलेक्ट किया. एंड द क्वेश्चन वाज व्हाट HR competencies are required to make HR function better in an organization. Question, it's not very simple question, it's a very complex and it needs a lot of efforts to find the answer to this question. What HR competencies? Ulrich ने एक मॉडल प्रपोज किया. वो मॉडल सजेस्ट करता है 9 competencies को in 3 different areas. Let's see this diagram. If we look at this diagram or in this wheel, there are 3 types of competencies, and in the areas and each competency there are 3 competencies further down. For example, the first one, organizational or organization enablers. What are organization enablers? They are culture and change champions. This is one competency for the HR. Human capital curator. This is the second competency in the area of organization enablers. Total reward steward. That is the third competency in the area of organization enablers. So similarly in the middle you can say core drivers. अगर आप core drivers को देखें तो इसी straight line में आपको 3 competencies मिलेंगी. A strategic positioner, paradox navigator and credible activist. Last 3 competencies are known as, in the broad terminology, delivery enablers. What are delivery enablers, or what are the competencies in this area? That are compliance managers, also analytics and technology and innovation. So these are the 3 things which fall in the delivery enablers. Actually it means that कि ये जो HR की जो पॉलिसी है, HR की स्ट्रेटजी है, उसको डिलीवर करने में हेल्प करती हैं और नेसेसरी हैं कि उसको डिलीवर कैसे किया जाए. HR अपनी स्ट्रेटजी को डिलीवर कैसे करे, HR अपने फंक्शंस को डिलीवर कैसे करे. तो दोबारा इसको देखते हैं कि पहला ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इनेबलर्स, दे आर मैंडेटरी. ये इनेबल करते हैं किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को टू अचीव समथिंग. सेकंड इज कोर ड्राइवर्स. तो कोर ड्राइवर्स जो हैं वो स्ट्रेटेजिक पोजिशनर है, पैराडॉक्स नेविगेटर है और जो क्रेडिबल एक्टिविस्ट है. दे आर कोर, they are fundamental. So if we look at this here, what is the strategic positioner? So strategic positioner is the one who is able to position a business to win in the business market. So first competency in the core drivers, if you look at the slide, core drivers, and then the first competency is strategic positioner, is able to position the business in the market. So we will talk about that in detail later on, but here this is the one competency Ulrich found that HR professionals must possess, that they should be able to position their business strategically. So it has some further supporting points. For example, it has the HR managers must be having a business literacy. They should have a knowledge of a strategy and so on. The second is Paradox Navigator. What is a Paradox Navigator? Well, students, if you people remember that in organizations, there are different types of paradoxes. One, when you are uncertain what is right and what is wrong, what to do and what not to do, there might be a conflict among employees. There might be a conflict among what organization want, what employees want. In that situation, a paradox navigator, HR plays a vital role. तो HR का जो रोल है, दैट इज अ रोल ऑफ ब्रिज बिटवीन जो टॉप मैनेजमेंट है और जो एम्प्लॉयज हैं, और इस कॉन्फ्लिक्ट को मिनिमाइज करना है. एंड द लास्ट वन इज क्रेडिबल एक्टिविस्ट. तो कोर ड्राइवर्स की जो थर्ड कैटेगरी है या जो थर्ड कॉम्पिटेंसी है, HR must be credible activist. How would we know that HR is credible activist? Able to build relationship of trust with employees and the top management. They are able and they show that they are invited on the table for the dialogue. These are the three core competencies in the area of HR professionals. Rest of the 6 competencies we will talk about in the next module. Thank you.